It's Ben here, and here in this video we're going to have a look at how we can customize our folder icons on the Mac. So I've been using Photoshop to generate the icons, but you can use any application such as GIMP or even Final Cut Pro to export out a PNG with transparency. We'll have a peek at Photoshop later to look at how I set these images up, but for now we're just going to really focus on how we apply these icons to a folder. So I'm going to open up this folder icons folder, and basically in this folder we have some different icons. So I'm just going to make a new folder here, and we'll open that up in a new tab. So just head down to Command to do that so that we can see a new window with some different icons that we can create. So basically in here I have some different colored folder icons. You can see there's some nice transparency there and some different image icons on top of those folders, and we can apply these right to any folder that we have on our Mac. If you like this kind of thing, it's going to help to make it easier to organize your Mac, get folders in the right spot, and also it's going to look pretty cool too. So in this new folder we're just going to create a couple of new folders. So File, New Folder, and we're going to view these as the icon format, and we'll just come down to the bottom right here and just make them nice and big. So we'll make 3 of these. I'll just actually hold down the Option key and duplicate them. So for each of these folders, if we highlight one and then go to File and Get Info, then basically this is where we add that icon to the folder. So just positioning these so we can kind of see everything that we're working with. So for this folder, we will use this green image of the headphones, and we'll call this folder Audio. And all we need to do is highlight that image. So we've got this audio icons green image. We'll go to Edit and Copy, and then we'll come and click on this icon at the top left and go to Edit and Paste. And you can see that pastes in this cool audio icons image as the new icon for our folder. So we can click on another folder here. We'll call this Video, and then we'll do Command and I to open up the info for that folder. And again, we'll come to our video icon here. We'll go to Edit, Copy, select here, select the icon, and then Edit and Paste. And that will paste the video icon in there. And then we will come to the last folder. This is going to be our images, and we've got another folder icon here of a camera. So Command and C to copy, click on this folder, Command and I, and then we can click there and do Command and V to paste that in there. So now you can see we have these 3 different icons for folders, which looks pretty cool. So I've got my original Photoshop document that I used to make these. So you can see here, basically I have an image above each folder, and I don't have the color effects on there at the moment, but basically I was using a hue and saturation adjustment layer above the folder, which allows me to colorize that folder and make it any color that I want. And then for the images over the top, I cut them out and then use the darken option so they blend a little bit with that image behind. You could also add a little bit of opacity to them, depending on how much intensity you want for those different images. So that's the basics of how to make the folder icon. If you want to start your own, then when you go to the desktop, if you click on a regular folder and do Command and I, if you click here and go to Edit and Copy, and then come to Photoshop, if we do File, New, it's going to grab that icon from the clipboard, so we can click Create, go to Edit and Paste, and now we have that folder icon with transparency. And if you're looking to create tutorials and things like that, and this is also useful if you want to save an image icon from an application. So if I do Command and I here, you can see again I can select the top left for Final Cut Pro, I can copy that, I can come into Photoshop or another application and paste that icon in there, so I can get this nice kind of clean image for Final Cut Pro or other applications we might be making a tutorial for right inside Photoshop. And then you can add your own effects and colorizations of that if you need to. So that's a quick overview of how to make these cool image icons for your Mac. If you do have any questions, then please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.